Hello, I'm Miao. Welcome to watch my video about Beijing daily life. I hope I can give you some advice about traveling in Beijing. Today, I'm going to eat spring pancakes. Do you know what's that? It's not a dessert. And we only eat the spring pancakes once a year. Do you know when? Follow my video to find out. And today is Li Chun in lunar calendar. It is Li Chun, the beginning of spring. Although the temperature isn't rising and it's very cold outside, but Li Chun signifies the nature's world, revival. Ice and snow begins to melt, and the cold of winter gradually passes. So it is a very important traditional festival in Chinese culture. Every year on this day, we eat spring pancakes, a tradition called biting the spring. It's also a symbol of welcoming spring and celebrating its arrival. This restaurant I'm going to have lunch specializes in spring pancakes. You might ask, if people eat spring pancakes once a year, wouldn't this place go out of business? Well, that's true, but actually, we can eat spring pancakes whenever we want, not only on this day, because this kind of food is very simple and quick to prepare. In my understanding, it's a kind of Peking duck's pancake wrapped the stir-fried vegetables. Okay, I know you may not get it, so just come with me and I will show you what the spring pancake is. Let's go. The menu. Let me order first. The name of this restaurant is Grandma's Spring Pancake. 姥姥家 Grandma 姥姥 Mom's mom. This is corn porridge. It's free. This is fried eggplant. It's very crispy and sweet. I think the sugar is coated with the surface of the eggplant. It's not for the pancake. All my dishes are ready, so let me introduce these dishes for you. This one is eggplant. Yeah, I already introduced. And this one is green bean with sliced pork. This one is bean sprout, egg, and sliced pork. And this one is sliced pork with coriander. And this is dry chili. These three dishes is for the pancake. So this is pancake. I ordered two kinds of pancakes. This one, very thin, and another one. See the difference. So I think this is the same with the Peking duck's pancake. And I will show you how to eat the spring pancake. And see the word on the plate. Yeah. It shows you how to wrap the dish. Roll left, roll right, and then roll up. Oh, I should wear the gloves. Oh. And this is my favorite. Roll right, roll left, roll up, just like the Peking duck, right? And then take a bite. Do you remember what's it called? It's called bite the spring. Very delicious. In the past, spring means the fresh vegetables. In winter there's no vegetables at all. So the spring pancake would filled with the seasonal vegetables. It means the arrival of spring and the enjoyment of the fresh vegetables. Okay, I will have another one. This pancake. Put the stir-fried vegetables in the middle. Roll, wrap it. So satisfying. Whoever first came up with this way to eat the stir-fried vegetables is very brilliant. I think this is much more delicious than the rice with the stir-fried vegetables. This is my fifth pancakes. How many pancakes do you think you can eat? Okay, if you have a chance, come to Beijing, just try the spring pancakes. Don't forget, biting the spring. Okay, thank you for watching my Beijing's vlog. All my videos are about Beijing culture and Beijing life. I'm going to enjoy my lunch. See you next time. Bye bye.